Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First, I will introduce myself. Hello, my name is Silvya Rosa Fadilla, and I am from Offering Pay with name 2003516156 I will presentation about light spectrum. Electromagnetic wave are waves that can transmit without media, carrying a charge of electrical and magnetic energy or electromagnetic. Light spectrum is part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Light spectrum or visible spectrum is waves visible to human eye. Human eye usually can detect wavelength from 380 nanometer to 700 nanometer. Spectrometer is tool to measure the spectrum of light. Spectrum light is in the wavelength range between the infrared and ultraviolet light. The light spectrum appears to have a wavelength range from about 380 nanometer to 700 nanometer and has frequencies from 400 to 790 terahertz. Light spectrum is absorbed and emitted by electrons in molecules and atoms which move from one energy level to another energy level. The transmission of atoms from one energy level to a lower energy level. When we look at the sun, the light appears white, but it actually 7 different colors. White light is a combination of light with different wavelengths in the spectrum. When the light is passed through in the frames, it will become several colors of light. Sir Isaac Newton's experiment in 1995 showed that when a white light or polychromatic passes through a prism, it's broken down into different light or monochromatic according to its wavelength. The separation of the lights appear to be light with different colors named as light dispersion. The spectrum of light produced by this dispersion of light is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. The color of light depends on the wavelength. Each color is a different wavelength. Red has a long wavelength at around 700 nanometer, and violet has the shortest wavelength at around 380 nanometer. The more of the right the wavelength, the greater, and the more of the left, the frequency of the wave is greater. Okay, I took the sample of the color, and the color is yellow. Yellow has a wavelength around 500 nanometer. When the eye sees an object that is yellow, it means that the eye sees a reflection of electromagnetic wave that have a wavelength of 500 nanometer. The yellow object absorbs the color of the other objects and reflect wavelength that make the color yellow. Thank you for the attention, and I hope it's useful for all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.